Hey guys, Matt here. Today's hiking adventure brings me back to the Florida Trail. This time I'm in Osceola National Forest, and started here at the Turkey Run Trailhead, and I'm heading north. Looking at far out, I'm looking. There's a campsite here about like 6.5 miles. So I figured that sounded like a good out and back there, about 13. But it's a real nice day today. It's probably mid to low 60s, barely a cloud in the sky. Definitely feel the bugs are starting. Man, mosquitoes are already attacking this early in the morning. But seems pretty nice so far. A lot of the like skinny pines. You can tell they did a controlled burn not too long ago, sometime this year probably. And started off a nice little section, and then the last little bit's been kind of like on a forest road, but it's one of those nice remote kind of grassy ones, so it's not too bad. But so I'm glad to be back on the Florida Trail, and hopefully here in a week or so I'll be getting back to normal, moved into my new place and stuff like that, so should be able to get my videos out quicker and stuff like that. So alright guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. It's early. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm about 3.5 miles down the trail, and it's been going all right. This is definitely the buggiest hike I've done so far this year. I was hoping it'd hold off a little longer, but some of the parts I've been walking on are on the forest road, or had some big, tire rut water holes, and some of them were a little tricky to walk around, and so I guess I can see why. I know they usually get more rain up here in the panhandle than we do down a little bit farther south, but the weather's perfect, it's just the bugs. Almost rather deal with spider webs than this. But and then it went off on the trail, and it was pretty nice. One section, like part of a little boardwalk bridge, was blew out and stuff, and got some of those really wet, mushy, mossy spots. And then there for a while it was real nice and dry and packed and everything. It was real nice. Now we're back on the forest road again, but it's been nice and peaceful. Haven't seen anybody or anything. Just lots of mosquitoes and bugs. And then lots of just like skinny pines where you don't get a ton of shade. But alright, well, I guess I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright guys. Hey guys, Matt here. About 7 miles down the trail, and I ended up turning around about 5.5 instead of 6.5. It's getting kind of rough, and the one bridge over the stream and stuff had a section missing, and I want to try to navigate that and take a chance of getting hurt or something. So I was like, oh, that's good enough. Turn around there. Bugs are pretty bad. But there's a lot of spaces that were hard to walk around, like big water holes or a lot of mushy stuff like the moss, mushy moss and stuff. I mean, you almost get sucked in. So I ended up just turning around. So I'm working my way back now. But I have noticed when you're walking into the wind and into the sun, that affects the bugs a little, so it's not as bad. But other than that, we're just trudging our way back, so it should be around 11 instead. But that's not too bad. Just working my way back into getting ready for summer season here. But I think I'm definitely gonna look into getting one of those bug nets this year. Man, that swarming around your head and buzzing, man, that stuff gets you. But all right guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. Well, I made it back. It was around 11 miles and took a little over 4 hours. Well, overall, it was a really nice day. Weather was perfect conditions. The trail, on the other hand, was not. A lot of the forest road sections had those muddy holes, and even when you could walk around it, it was pretty rough and trudging. And then a lot of the parts were you know, mushy, mossy and stuff like that. So it was kind of a rough walking there. But other than that, it was real nice, you know, nice pine forest and nice views there. Man, those bugs are all over. But so it was a really nice day, you know, nice out and back of the Florida Trail. I didn't make it all the way out to West Tower Camp as I was hoping, but I did make it about 5.5 out and 5.5 back, so around 11 miles. But, well, as always, I thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I sure love it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, I sure love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have anything for me, just let me know down below in the comments. I'll make sure to get back to you. Well, this is Matt signing off from the Florida Trail in Osceola National Forest. I'll see you next time. All right, thanks guys.